Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to do data analysis in R just in ONESHOT or just in 6 to 7 minutes. So for the data analysis, you have to make a separate folder in your PC. I have named my folder data analysis over here, and then on your folder you have to move the spreadsheet where your data lies. So I'm moving my data spreadsheet like it is named as final data, and it's also facing some problems too. So after moving there, you have to change the format of your data sheet, like it's in Excel now. And yeah, I'm changing this to CSV form. The full form of CSV is comma delimited form. So while checking the Excel sheet here, I'm finding some blank spaces here, blank rows and columns, and we have to delete those blank spaces so that it will be easier for the software to read this data. This is the huge data set of my full research, so I'm deleting many and keeping only six variables so that it will be easier for all of you to show or to understand. So to save on the CSV format, you have to go on the option file, and then there is a option save as, on which you have to save your file on the previous folder on the CSV form. There are many types of CSV given, among which you have to choose the comma delimited form. You also have to keep your file name as simple as possible so that it will be easier for you to change the name in the commands. So my CSV file looks like this. It may give some notification like some features might be lost, and I have to accept that. So after saving the CSV file, you again have to check your data as there might be some blank spaces present. And then you have to open the software R, and the interface of R looks like this. There are four boxes. One is for keeping the script, and another is console, another is environment, and last one is for the packages. So I'm making it blank so that it will be easier for you to understand the commands that I'll be using. I'll add commands in the description box too. So at first you have to go to the session and choose the working directory. And the working directory you have to choose is the folder that you have made earlier. And then I'm copying this to the script box so that it will be easier for you to follow the scripts. And then I'm copying some scripts from here. I'll be copying only few scripts which we will be needing for running the analysis. Then I'm pasting these on the blank script box, and then we have to change the name of the file in the command. Like I have kept the file name as final, so I'm changing as per that. And then this my data is the name which software will read for this file. So further, my data is the file on which we'll be working. So that we'll be viewing my data, and it looks like this here. So we need to attach it further for the analysis. So after the attaching, then I'll be changing the name of the independent variable. I have kept replication and treatment full spelling, full word here, so that on the script I'm changing replication here, and the treatment and another is script which will set these factors is independent variable. Otherwise the software will read these variables as integer. One thing you need to keep in mind is there shouldn't be error in typing spellings, otherwise the software won't read your command. So you need to consider this. So after changing these scripts or setting the independent variable, all you need is package GUI bioresearch. If you don't have this package, you need to install it from the given option. It's on the top of the package box. So if you already have it, you just need to activate it. And if you click on this DOE bio research, you can find the options like this, where you can find command for all type of researches like CRD, RCBD, even for the factorial research. You can find separate commands, and I have copied the command for RCBD. Is this research is of RCBD design. And then I need to change the name of variable here, like the independent variable I have set in my spreadsheet is treatment and replication. I have changed it here, and then my data file name is my data, so that I'll be changing the data here into the name my data. You may have noticed the letter 2 on the last of the command. So that 2 means Duncan's multiple range test, 1 means CLST test, and 3 means CLST test. You can change that accordingly. And here 1 is to 2 is per the column from which you have to do data analysis. So I have counted my columns where a dependent variable lies, and it's in the column 3 to 7. So I have changed 1 is to 2 into the 3 is to 7, then run the analysis, and the result looks like this finally. So all of the column, or all of the data have already generated the result. Here you can see the ANOVA table, and then it will automatically run the normality test through Shapiro-Wilkie normality test. And it also shows that whether it has accepted the theory of normality or not. And then if accepted, it will run further analysis of mean separation, and it looks like this. This is for one parameter like plant height at 30 days, and likewise for the another parameter plant height at 60 days. You can see another ANOVA table, normality test, and mean separation test. Isn't it wonderful? So if you want further information like this, please do like and subscribe our channel, and leave the comments in the comment section. Thank you.